What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World of Vegas, coming back to you one more time for another room walkthrough. This time, we're back at Cosmo. This is a Terrace Studio suite with a strip view. We're in room 5180. Let's go inside and let's check it out. So, as you first walk in the door, you'll see our luggage. Exciting, right? Yeah. Got a nice piece of artwork. That Cosmo is one of their trademarks. Is some really interesting and sexually provocative artwork, and you'll see that kind of throughout the resort. But your entryway, got your full-length mirror here, which is also the door to the bathroom. And as with every other room that we've stayed in Cosmo, their bathrooms are superior. They're large, spacious, they're bright, and this one is no different. Got your his and her sinks, got your mounted lighted vanity mirror for the ladies. A very large shower. Cosmo, their showers are notoriously large. I mean, you could almost throw a party in here if that's what you wanted to do. But yeah, it's good size. And then your soaking tub. By the holes in the bottom, it appears to be jetted. I don't know where the controls are, but I would imagine that that is a jetted tub. It's got to be. Very relaxing. Not my cup of tea, but my wife would enjoy that from time to time. So out of the bathroom, walk into your living space, which the living space in here is almost identical to the one bedroom terrace suites, which in itself are rather large. Got a sectional couch, which could accommodate another person if you were to have another person staying in the room with you. Another chair, lamp, your coffee table, a little desk area if you are the type of person that needs to do some work while you're here in Vegas. I don't know why you would want to do something like that, but just in case, there you go. 65-inch TV, which that's probably the biggest TV in a standard room that I've seen in Vegas. This is your little minibar area. Obviously, all these items, you pick them up, 30 seconds, and you own them, and buddy, they are not cheap. Got an iPad, which you can control the room. You can do your thermostat settings, you can turn lights on and off, all that good stuff. You can also use this to make dinner reservations and call up room service and things of that nature. Really nice touch for Cosmo. Down below, you do have your cold mini fridge or your cold mini bar. And as with the stuff up top, that stuff is expensive. Ice bucket and cups, but something that has become increasingly rare in Vegas is down below. You do have your own empty refrigerator to keep your own stuff cold, so you don't have to buy that ridiculously expensive stuff. Straight behind that is your master bedroom. This is a king room, king size bed. They're very comfortable. We haven't stayed at a room in Cosmo in which we got a bad night's sleep. But as with the other rooms, they do have bedside reading lights for you, which is a very nice touch. Plenty of closet space. Got your robes, which I wonder if those are labeled as Cosmopolitan. They are not. I would imagine those would get stolen pretty often if they were. And here is where you will find your safe, your iron, slippers. Wow, I think that's a first. Looks like a laundry bag. Bench at the end of the bed. Nice touch. There's your bedroom TV. That one's not quite as big as the living room TV. I'd say that's probably about a 50-inch, maybe a 40, 48, something like that. But nice enough size. And as with every other terrace room at Cosmo, the money shot is the balcony. The Terrace Studio actually has a good sized balcony with plenty of seating. Little outdoor couch with my wife sitting on it. Say hello, wife. I know you didn't want me to acknowledge you in the video, but there you are. Say hello. That's my wife, Andrea. Ain't she pretty? It does come with an ashtray, so for those of you all that smoke, this is probably going to be your top pick for hotels. But, as always, you can see for days from these balconies. Hands down the best views in Vegas. If you look straight down, that's your Boulevard pool, which actually appears to be open. So anyway, if you guys stick around into the video, I'll put some nighttime footage from in here so you guys can see what it looks like all lit up. Stand by. I just want to take a second to throw this in here. And if you've never stayed at Cosmopolitan, but you've wanted to, but you didn't want to spend the extra money, I gotta tell you, what I'm doing right now makes paying that extra money well worth it. For a city that's hustle and bustle, it's about, right now it's probably about 7:30 at night on a Thursday. It's actually really peaceful up here. It's nice and quiet. Just kind of checking out the scenery from the balcony. I highly recommend it. And I told you that I was gonna put in some footage of the strip at night, so I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah, definitely worth the price. It's peaceful up here. For as loud as this place is, it's quiet. Stand by, I'll get that footage to you. The views are unparalleled from here. I can't stress enough how much spending that extra money is worth it. Now granted, the Fountain View side is much better, but the strip view is just as beautiful. Thanks for watching, fellas.